I'm here at Zedwell Capsule Hotel in Piccadilly. I've booked one of the capsules and I've booked female flow only, so should we take a look, shall we? See how good these capsules are. Right, so we're down here, there's loads of room. And this is my section. Right, so this is my capsule here. Right, I'm in the capsule. Let me show you around it. Not much to see, but... Right, so as you can see, we've got a mirror. Yeah, got a pillow. Nice and clean. Let's have a look at the bed, shall we? Sheet's good. And then you got mattress encasement, not just a protector, so which is good. I said there's not much to show. So, and this here you got a plug socket, USB charging. You got a light, so of course, and then you dim it or brighten it. And then you turn your air conditioner off. I'll tell you something, it's so hot in here already. So we'll keep that on. Oh, make that brighter. So also got 2 coat hangers here. And there's your smoke alarm as well. And actually got a towel here as well, and normally they're £5 to rent, so but yeah, I've got a towel already, and then you've got the quilt here as well. So oh, excuse me, coat falling down. So as you can see as well, I will put them at the bottom probably when I go to bed later. And excuse my shoes, but also you got this shutter here, as you can see, lifts up, so you got your privacy. So yeah, and you also need a padlock to lock it from the outside, so unless you're not leaving anything in here, you're best off bringing your own, because I believe they're about £8. We'll have a look in a bit, because they've got the vending machines. We'll have a look what's in the vending machines. I'll try and show you the toilets and shower area as well. So like I said, I've got to respect privacy, because of course it's all shared. But yeah, look, I'm absolutely sweating already, you know. Yes, look, sweating. But yeah, so this is the capsule, and I paid £51 odd for the night right in Piccadilly, so absolutely perfect. It's not too bad of a size, and I was expecting it to be a little bit smaller, but so far so good. But I was a little bit annoyed that because I wanted more safety and security with being a woman, that basically I had to pay more, because I think it was 40, trying to think, bear with me, I'm sure it was 49 or 48 for a mixed one. But to be on female only, you had to pay that extra few quid, and I think that's a bit wrong for us female to feel safe. So yeah, Zedwell, not a very good thing. Not a very good thing. So Let me know in the comments what you lot think. Should us women have to pay extra just because we want a bit of safety and security? I don't think so. I don't think that's right. But yeah, I'll try and show you the rest I can. So, but like I said, and I might even show you in the morning. I'll have a word with you in the morning to see, let you know how I slept, if I slept. So I'll catch you in a bit. Right, so this is showers and toilets. So as you can see, there's plenty of toilets. I've got these shower curtains here. Bed. Yeah, so clean. So yeah, get your body wash and shampoo as well. So yeah. So that's 2 out of order we've got. But yeah, definitely plenty of toilets. Oh, there's more showers down here, but again, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 out of order. And we've got more sinks here. So yeah. Supposed to be silent design. That's what it says there. Right, that's my stay at Zedwell Capsule Hotel in Piccadilly. Comfy night. I had about 2 hours sleep at first. And woke up hot because I turned the fan off. So you got a choice really. Either put up with the noise of the van or put up with the heat. So, but yeah, it was a comfortable stay. I did get back to sleep about half an hour later, and basically didn't wake up till just after 7. So that's good sleep actually. It was comfortable. Wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be. I thought it'd be a bit claustrophobic and all, but the only downside is that having to get up and traipse to the toilets, like in the middle of the night, because yeah, as I'm getting old, I'm one of them. Yeah, it's life for you, I'm afraid, as a woman. That's it. But no, it was comfortable. It was a good night's stay, and also it was worth the £51 for Piccadilly, because you wouldn't get that in a hotel in Piccadilly now, would you? So, I don't think there was anything else I needed to mention. But yeah, I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.